Cash flow is the difference between a thriving business and one that barely survives. Now, I've seen great businesses struggle, and it's not because they weren't successful, it's because they weren't managing their cash right. Let's make sure that doesn't happen to you. By the end of this video, you'll know the 3 biggest cash flow mistakes and how to avoid them. And these aren't random theories. This is what I've seen firsthand from working with businesses that are earning 6 to 8 figures. So before we go on, what is cash flow anyway? Well, cash flow is the movement of money in and out of your business in simple terms. So think of it like this. Money in is your cash inflow, and that's what your business earns through revenue, payments from clients, sales, even refunds from vendors. And your money out is your cash outflow, what your business spends. So like rent, payroll, software, supplies. And the goal, well, that's to have more coming in than going out consistently. Now, here's a shocking statistic for you. Roughly 82% of small businesses fail because of cash flow issues. And it's not because of bad products, not because of lack of sales, but because they didn't have enough cash when they needed it. And I don't want you to be in that statistic. So now let's talk about the mistakes. Mistake number 1 is scaling too fast without reserves. Now, growth is exciting, but if your expenses are growing faster than your profit, you're putting your business at risk. And I'll tell you, I have sadly worked with businesses that were earning millions in revenue and still couldn't make payroll. So before you decide that you're ready to scale, make sure you have 3 to 6 months of cash reserves set aside. Now let's talk about mistake number 2. Not paying yourself first. Now, I see this all the time, and I have definitely been guilty of this. Owners paying everyone else first and leaving themselves with whatever is left over, if any. Now, this is definitely okay if you're a startup or you're trying to get your business going or growth with, limited funding. You're trying to do it on your own. Totally okay. But if it goes too long, it's a recipe for burnout and financial stress, and we don't want that. So as soon as you can, set a percentage of revenue to go to profit first, and then allocate the rest. So here's a little plug. If cash flow is a guessing game, my 30-point diagnostic checklist will help you see exactly where the gaps are. It's the same process I use with clients, and it's free. Grab it in the description. Now let's talk about mistake number 3. Running your business on gut feeling instead of your numbers. So many business owners tell me that they know their numbers, but when we actually look at their cash flow statement or a 90-day cash flow report, they realize they're actually just guessing. Now, if you're not tracking cash flow consistently, you don't really know where your money is going, and that can be dangerous. Just remember, cash flow problems don't happen overnight. They build up little by little. So don't wait until it's a crisis to fix it. Start today.